Hello, people. We are back again. This is our day 2 of our challenge on talking of some legal issues. We have decided that for this challenge, we are going to talk on tenancy. Tenancy right, the right of a tenant and the right of the landlord. Now, yesterday we talked about who is a tenant, who is a landlord. As a way of just adumbrating on it, a tenant is somebody who has embarked to get a property, lease a property from another person, a house, a room, an apartment, even a land. You have decided to get it for your use. That is a tenant, and it's usually either for a specific time frame, and then for a specific amount, which is called rent. So it is a duty of the tenant to get the property temporarily. You see this thing, you like it, you like the property, you want to stay in the property. You approach the landlord graciously say, okay, no problem, go ahead and own it, but give me this, give me that. You have the duty to maintain that property that has been given to you, and maintain it, keep it in an habitable condition before you leave the property, to be on a safer side, and so as you will not have any issues with your landlord. So tenants, that is a tenant. There are so many rights that the law has given to tenants to enjoy. Now, the landlord owns the property. The landlord decide, okay, I like you. This is for commercial purposes. You can take it. Give me a price. The landlord must put it in an habitable condition for the tenant, and then there are some duties attached to it. The landlord has his duty, the tenant has his duty. First of all, let's look at the right of the tenant. You have the exclusive possession of the property without the landlord's interference, except where there's an emergency. It is yours. You have paid for it. You have the exclusive occupation of that property. The landlord does not have the right to interfere in your enjoyment. Do you understand? You have the quiet enjoyment of that property without any unreasonable harassment or disturbances. It shouldn't be. Where there is a interference, or in the time of emergencies, there must be a notice, a proper notice. Okay, I want to come and inspect my property. I need to this day, this particular day. That is a form of notice. It can be oral or written. So there must usually be a notice. Do you understand? So you have exclusive possession, you have quiet enjoyment of the property, you have habitable property. It has to be safe, it has to be livable, it has to be in good condition. And then the landlord too must respect your privacy. Any attempt of entry, there must be a notice. There must be a written receipt or a written agreement after every payment of the property. Now, excuse me. Excuse me. So there must be proper notice before any kind of eviction. Where the landlord, where there is an issue or the expiration of time, there has to be proper notice. Now, these notices has different types. We are still going to talk about it, but you should know that before eviction, before anything, there has to be a proper notice given to you, and then the right for remedies is open to you. Duties of the tenant: there are some duties that is expected of the tenant. You have a property. The Bible says godliness is next to cleanliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness. You have to be able to maintain that property, make it habitable, make it neat, make it clean, care for the property. You have to pay your rent timeously. This is usually the issues between tenant and landlord. You have to pay your rent, because most times this is business. Business is business. You don't bring relationship into it. You pay your rent. You avoid illegal activities, and then you allow access to the landlord for legitimate reasons. For now, let's stop there. We are coming back on the third day. I really want to talk on the eviction. Please, if you have any comments, I know you're having some question brewing inside of you. If you have any comment, if you have any issues you have been faced one way or the other, put it in the comment section. Write down your comments, write down your questions, and let's talk about it. Thank you. See you next time. See you tomorrow, which is day 3. Thank